Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to change the background of your charts in MetaTrader 4 account. You guys can see I have a white background with black markings and blue markings in my MetaTrader 4 account chart. So to change that, you have to go on the settings, which is on the right lower corner of your screen. After you're on the settings page, you can see charts in the third sector, third option, tap on it. After you tap on charts, you can see colors on the last option, tap on it. After that, you can see scheme as the first option, tap on it. On scheme, I have chosen black on white as my previous option. To change it, tap on green on black or custom. I'm tapping on green on black. You can change the color of your foreground, grid, bar up, bar down, and all the other options. Go back to your charts and tap on charts on the bottom menu. After that, you can see your background has been changed. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.